The marketing game has shifted forever, and if you are in 2026, then you cannot skip this. Now, recently, Meta has launched its Meta MCP, through which you can connect Claude with your Meta Ads account. And just by using Claude, you can generate any number of reports, optimization inputs, and anything that you need in order to optimize your entire campaign and get maximum out of your marketing campaigns. Hi, my name is Sachin. I'm the founder of Scaled, and we work with the EdTech founders and help them scale to 50 lakh per month using a proven EdTech scaling framework. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to integrate your Meta Ads account with Claude. For the EdTech founders who are not having any technical understanding about marketing, now majority of the time, EdTech founders hire agencies to run their marketing campaigns to generate leads, and they burn a lot of money, and then they depend on those agencies to send them weekly or fortnightly reports on what is really going on, how many leads they have generated, what to tweak, what not to tweak, or they hire any consultant who can help them with the expert guidance on how they can maximize their marketing tons. That is ROAS, return on ad spend, right? Now you do not need any of that. You can just integrate your Meta Ads account with Claude, and Claude will give you different kind of reports the way you want, optimization inputs that you want, whether you need to work on your creative, whether you need to tweak your targeting, whether you need to tweak your CTA, and all those of things that are needed to optimize your entire campaign and generate maximum ROAS through your marketing budget. So this video will be basically a walkthrough. As I mentioned, integration guide I will share with you. And if you need the access of the document, just comment Claude and I will send the document to you. Now, without any further delay, let's jump into it. So welcome once again to the video. Now, this is the document that I'm talking about, which is basically your Meta MCP and Claude integration guide, right? So let me just walk you through what exactly this Meta MCP means. If you don't have any understanding, quickly I will give you an overview, and then we will get into the steps and of course how to connect and how to generate reports, what key metrics to look into, and then of course what are the actionable optimization prompts that you can use. And again, as I mentioned, if you need the access of this document, comment Claude and I will send across to you in the comment section. So Meta Model Context Protocol, which is called MCP, server lets Claude connect directly to your Meta Ads account, enabling real-time campaign data retrieval, AI-generated performance analysis, and optimization recommendations, all within a single conversations. Now, here's the thing. Before implementing this or integrating this, you need to have access to your active Meta Ads account that is given. That's a prerequisite. Along with that, you need to have a Claude account as well. Now, if it's work for free account also. If you have a paid version of Claude, it works there as well, right? So let me share my screen first. Now, as I mentioned, what are the prerequisites and setup? You need to have active Meta business account. That means your ads account should be active. Then you need to have Claude access. As I mentioned, you need to have just a simple account on Claude. It works on free account as well, and it works on the paid account too. All right. Now, if you don't have any Meta Ads account, of course you can't run the ads. So that's a very common basic step. Then this is the most important part, step 3 and step 4. Now, here is some technical understanding is needed, but I will give you a very simple methodology, simple step that you need to integrate. Okay, you don't need to go through this now. Beta, what Meta has done is they have not rolled out this for every Meta Ads account as of now. Now, if you understand, Meta handles billions of accounts, right? So many people are launching ads on daily basis and all that stuff. So many people use it for business purpose as well. So it has not launched it yet. It has only been rolled out to a certain what do you call accounts. So it might be a possibility that you can connect your server, but it will not be able to generate the report for you. How to know whether your MCP and Claude integration active or not? I will share that as well. Okay. So now let's get into the Claude. So here is my simple Claude account. Let me just share my screen. It's a free plan. Intentionally, I'm just sharing it with you that you can activate this or you can connect your Meta Ads account on a free plan as well. All right. So this is my Claude account. So what I will do is click here on customize. So this is the all these things that you can have a look here. Then all the option, click on customize, go on connectors. Okay. Now here I have connected Google Drive of mine. Click on this plus button, then click on add custom connector. Now it's a custom connector that we are adding. Okay, you can name it as like, now as again this is a beta, so you can name it like Meta Ads connector, or it's simple as Meta Ads first. Now here is a link that you do to just copy paste. https://mcp.facebook.com/ads. This is a common link that is given by Meta. You can add that as a link, server link, okay, and then just click on or add, right? Now Meta will ask you to connect your account with Claude. Click on connect, okay. Now reconnect. And if you are handling multiple accounts, according to that, you can give the access. Now here, look at this, right? Now it is connected. As you can see, the option is here to disconnect. So now my Meta Ad account is connected with Claude. Needs approval, allow always. Okay. Now this is how now my ads is connected. Now here's where magic will happen. So let's go back to our document once again. All right. So we have completed part one, part two. Now what we want is we will be using this prompt to fetch the data of our Meta Ads account and give us the report. Okay, so I will be copying this and I'll go back again to my Claude account for all the campaigns on my in my Meta Ads account via Meta MCP connector and includes brand impression, click, CTR, everything. And or give me a final one page optimization report on the same, right? So let's see. Now I do have access to multiple ads account. It might be a possibility that all of my Meta ad account don't have the option to integrate Meta with Cloud, right? So I think it will ask. So it's taking its time. Okay, so it is picking one of the account where the Meta MCP is active. So here's the detailed report on Meta ads. You can see all the campaign. You can here see the data. So that's how basically you can create a performance trends and then the optimization action points that can be implemented. And as I said, you don't need any of expert or anybody else to give you the inputs. There are some of the top priority things that you can do, then medium priority, high priority, what needs to be tweaked, where is the gap, and other accounts also share with me. So this is the three biggest action that you can take on this. Now give me the final output in a form of a final visual PDF and one page on a on a one page document. Optimization, final optimization or action points, I will call it. Yes. So again, you can play around this, create different kind of reports, and in whatever format you want, a PDF, a PPT, or a document, you can create it, and it will give you that. So the entire idea is basically now you do not need to have a technical understanding about Meta and all the stuff. Meta now now you can connect it with Claude, and it will give you all the inputs, all the visuals, whatever need to be tweaked, what you are doing good in your you know. What you're doing good in your entire campaign, what needs to be tweaked at targeting level, creative level. You can ask many questions. Now look at this output. Can you see? Look at this. Okay. HIDA, this, all those optimization report. Now look at this in a beautiful way, right? It is shared with you what needs to be changed, what needs to be tweaked, and what is the opportunity score as well. So it is shared everything with you in terms of what needs to be done, creative and bidding insights, all those insights you can get, which you depend usually on an expert to do it for you or the agency. Let me share with you one more version of the output that it gave when we tested it earlier, just so that you understand everything in detail. So here is another format in which you can basically show your reporting. So we tested for the same account a while back, and this was the ad performance trends, as you can good, bad, and then again auction quality, leads ads, and then the inputs was there what needs to be tweaked in order to improve the entire campaign, and then we also asked to give us the entire summary in that way. And look at this presentation. Meta Ads performance report. So as I mentioned to you, you don't need to depend on anybody else now. You can do it yourself, and you will be able to identify, okay, which ads are working well. If you want to test it out, if you want to check, you can check on the creative levels as well, like which creatives are generating, which creatives you need to optimize. All those kind of reporting can be done. And here is this, the entire PPT as well. It has created one page PPT that you can have a look at and make your decisions. So this is how it is happening. And yeah, play around it, create a lot of reporting. You'll be able to understand what needs to be tweaked, and then you can make those changes. So this is a very big advancement when it comes to Meta. So ensure that you use it properly inside your business, particularly if you're somebody who don't have any understanding. Now you don't have to depend on agencies. You don't need any expert or a consultant to work with you. So that's it from this video. I hope you find this useful, and then you get all these creative actionable optimization prompts. You can copy them from here, you can play around. And of course, now free account do have some limit. So if you want to explore more and want to test it out more, you need to buy a paid account on Claude, which will cost you around $20. And you can go ahead, experiment, test it out, and generate a lot of insights and make the changes inside your marketing campaign. I hope you will find this video useful. And again, as I mentioned to you, if you need the access of this integration guide, you can comment Claude, and I will send across to you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.